So I tried the carbon monoxide tester, and I went for a run, and no problems. It didn't go off at all. I did the little test before I turned it on, and it made all the proper noises, so it was working properly. And when I went for my ride, like no exhaust leak, no buzzing of the thing, nothing's wrong. I was told by some shop in West Monroe. Actually, it's not West Monroe. It was in Monroe over the river. That sometimes when it hit bumps, the shocks might bump, or the back wheels would bump up and down, and then it would make a noise or something like that. Or not make a noise, I'm sorry. Exhaust might pop in, and that's why I smell it once in a while, but nothing. I mean, just today anyways. I mean, I own it now, so I could test it periodically, just to see what's up, but there's no problems. And actually that's a really good way of testing your car, if you have an exhaust leak coming in the interior, is a sure, safe way that you're not gonna frickin' die in the middle of the night or some shit driving down the road. Safety first.